सो अभी तक जो हमने पढ़ा हुआ है, व्हाट इज ए मैट्रिक्स, व्हाट इज द ऑर्डर ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स, हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट द मैट्रिक्स, yes or no, then operations on matrix means how to add or subtract matrices, then scalar multiplication. यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं, मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ टू मैट्रिसेस मीन्स हाउ टू डू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन, multiplication of two matrices. We say matrices A and B are compatible for multiplication if the number of columns in A is equal to the number of rows in B. Yes or no? Whenever question will be given on the basis of multiplication, or in question it is given that you have to add, subtract or multiply, then we have to check the condition whether multiplication is possible or not. If the multiplication is possible, then we have to do the multiplication. So what is the condition? Number of columns of first matrix must be equal to the number of rows of second matrix. Number of columns of first matrix, number of columns, जैसे m into n यहाँ पे लिखते हो, यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए n into p, irrespective of the columns of second matrix. This must be equal. Means number of columns of first matrix must be equal to the number of rows of second matrix. Then the multiplication will be possible. देखो आप यहाँ पे number of columns in A, yes or no, is equal to the number of rows in second matrix. So multiplication is possible and it is denoted by AB. Just see here, number of columns in first matrix is 3, number of rows are 3, so we can multiply. And what will be the multiplication order, means what is the order of this matrix, AB matrix? So it will be just 2 or 4. We have to eliminate this part and just write 2 and 4. So first of all you have to check the order of first matrix, order of second matrix, and then we have to verify whether the column of first matrix is equal to the rows of second matrix. If the column of first matrix is equal to the rows of second matrix, then multiplication is possible. Okay, then how to multiply? In first case 1 into 1, जैसे you have to ऐसे एक रो मतलब रो के तरफ एक लाइन देना है आपको, horizontal line, and you have to multiply like this, ऐसे जाना है, ऑलवेज आपको ऐसे ही करना है. फर्स्ट जब भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है एक ऐसे और एक लॉन्ग कॉलम देना है. जैसे देखो आप 1 into 1, तो यहाँ पे 1, इसको हमने किया. फिर नेक्स्ट 2 into 2, देखो आप फर्स्ट हम कैसे जा रहे हैं, हॉरिजॉन्टल जा रहे हैं यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे वर्टिकल, तो 2 into 2 is 2. नेक्स्ट 3 into 1, 3 multiplied by 1, so plus 3. एनी डाउट, किसी को डाउट है क्या यहाँ पे, बताओ आप लोग. ओके, देन सेकेंड स्टार, this is nothing, this is A12. Entire first row is multiplied with entire column. This is A11, first row and first column. A11, entire row of first matrix is multiplied with entire column of second matrix. So this is A1. Then 2, yes or no? जैसे हमने स्टार्ट कैसे किया, फिर से दिस इज A11. अब यहाँ पे क्या करने वाले, A12. फर्स्ट रो इज मल्टीप्लाई विथ इंटायर कॉलम इन सेम फैशन, सेम मैनर, सेम वे. यस और नो? सो 1 into 2, so 2. Again 2 into 0, so that is 0. 2 into 0 is 0. 3 into 3 is 9. So this is A12. first row and second column. Then in same way 1 3 means entire first row will be multiplied with entire column of third column of second matrix. So 1 into 3. Okay. Then 3, 2 into 1, so plus 2. Then 3 into 4. 3 into 4, that is 12. So this is the part. In same fashion, entire row is multiplied with entire column of second matrix, means fourth column, A1 4. So 1 into 4, 2 into 2, 3 into 0. So you can write like this. In same way, now this is A11, A12, A13, A14. Now next thing, A21, second row and first column. So 3 into 1, 2 into 2 and 1 into 1. 3 into 2, 2 into 0, 1 into 3. 3 into 3, 2 into 1, 1 into 4. Same way, 3 into 4, 2 into 2 plus 1 into 0, 0. So this is A21, A22, A23 and A24. Order is, this is R1, R2, C1, C2, C3 and C4. So this is 2 into 4. मैंने क्या बताया था कि you have to write in this way order 2 into 3 or 3 into 4. Cancel कर दो आप. So directly you will get 2. And this is the answer. Just यहाँ पे add करना है आपको. So you can write like this. So this is our answer. Any doubt in multiplication? Always you have to check the number of columns of first matrix must be equal to the rows of second matrix. Then multiplication will be possible. Matrix multiplication will be possible. Any doubt? Arya, Riya? Okay. So you have to do the multiplication in this way. Properties of matrix multiplication. If the product AB exists, it is not necessary that the product BA will also exist. Yes or no? Yes, suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and B is equal to 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So here 2 into 3 and here 3 is to 2. So AB is possible. How? Number of rows is 2 into 3 and 3 is to 2. So answer will be of order 2 is to 2. But suppose you are writing BA. Yes or no? So B will be 3 is to 2 and A will be 2 is to 6. So here also multiplication is possible, but sometimes it is also not possible. Yes or no? Suppose यहाँ पे आपने अगर 3 is to 3 लिखा रहता, suppose यहाँ पे कोई अगर suppose A is 3 is to 3 और B आपको यहाँ पे रहता 3 is to 2 तो पॉसिबल. लेकिन जैसे ही BA आपको फाइंड करना रहता और आपने यहाँ पे 3 is to 2 लिखा है तो सेकंड में तो आपको क्या आ रहा है 3 is to 3 आ रहा है. So this is not equal. So BA is not possible. So if the product AB exists, it is not necessary. कभी कभी एग्जिस्ट हो सकता है, जैसे देखो यहाँ पे एग्जिस्ट किया था हमने, मतलब मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज पॉसिबल, बट यहाँ पे एग्जिस्ट नहीं हो रहा था. So if the product AB exists, it is not necessary that the product BA will also exist. Any doubt? बोलना भी है आप लोगों को। ओके देखो आप, नंबर ऑफ रोज इन ए इज 2, नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स इन ए इज 2, so then the order is 2:2, and B is number of rows in B is 2, number of columns in B 2:3, number of column in A is equal to number of rows in B, so here multiplication is possible. Now AB is this, just multiply, yes or no, just 2:3, 1 into 1. So in same way you can multiply. Number of columns in B is 3, number of rows in A. Here BA does not exist. अलग समझे, जैसे ही आपने उल्टा लिख दिया यहाँ पे BA, so BA, what is the order? 2:3, 2:3, and this is 2:2. So here number of columns of second matrix is 2, number of rows of second matrix is 2, number of rows of first matrix is 2, number of columns of first matrix is 3. So number of columns of first matrix is not equal to the number of rows of second matrix. So BA does not exist. So AB exists and BA does not exist. Even if AB and BA exist, they need not be of equal order. Yes or no? There's 3 into 2, 2:3. So order is 3 into 3. BA of order 2:2 exists but not equal. Yes or no? BA first we have to write B and then A. So 2:3. So 3:2. Order will be different. AB of order 3:3, BA of order 2:2. So it is not commutative. Just like addition. जैसे एडिशन में कैसे था, A plus B is equal to B plus A. नॉर्मल जो हमारा मल्टीप्लिकेशन रहता है, that is commutative. 2 into 3 is 6 and 3 multiplied by 2 is also 6. So there is no change. So even AB and BA are of same order, they need not be equal. Okay, so this is the thing. Even AB and BA of same order, they need not be equal. Answer will also different. So AB and BA are not necessarily equal. So multiplication is not a commutative. Hence matrix multiplication is not commutative. If AB is 0, it is not necessary that either A is 0 or B is 0. Yes or no? Just see here. If AB is 0, it is not necessary that either A is 0 or B is 0. This is very important. So if AB is equal to AC, it is not necessary that B is equal to C. Yes or no? You can't do this way. B is not equal to C. ऐसे नहीं करना हम लोग को. Okay. So AB is AC, but B is not equal to C. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन बोलो आप लोग, फिर स्टॉप करेंगे हम लोग. Multiplication of two matrices A and B is possible when number of rows in A is equal to number of rows in B. No, wrong. Number of columns in A is number of columns in B. Wrong. Number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B. So answer will be third. Then AB will be स्टार्ट करो सॉल्व करना आप लोग और आंसर बताओ मुझे. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू चेक ऑर्डर. So 2:3. Here you have to write 3:2. So 2:2. Yes or no? So multiplication is possible. Then 2:3. Okay, fine. Correct answer. चेक करो आप लोग, बाकी लोग। ये आंसर होमवर्क के लिए लिख लो आप लोग, और फिर किसी को कुछ डाउट आता है तो आप पूछ सकते हो।